How to enable Passkey in MEXC. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are trying to enable Passkey in MEXC, first of all launch open the MEXC application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into MEXC, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, scroll down and tap Security. Inside Security option, under 2FA, tap on Passkey. Click on Add Now in the pop-up, and then you need to go ahead and enable at least one 2FA in order to enable the Passkey. Click whether you want to enable Google authentication or mobile option. I'm going to tap on mobile option. Now on the next page, go ahead and enter your mobile number in the first text box. Type in your mobile number in the correct format and then click on Get Code at the bottom. Now enter the SMS code you received in your phone number. You also need to go ahead and verify your email code. So click on Get Code right next to email verification code. You'll receive a verification code in your email registered with MEXC. Go and open up your email service provider's inbox. Now open the email from MEXC and copy the code. Get back to the MEXC app and paste it in the next field and click on Confirm. Right after you've enabled, you'll then need to go ahead and enter the verification code sent on your email and then your phone number or Google Authenticator, whichever you have enabled. Click on the Get Code button and wait for the email verification code. Open up your email service provider and you'll receive a 6-digit code. Copy that and paste it in. Now, go to Google Authenticator code or phone 2FA verification for phone. Paste in the Google Authenticator generated code or SMS code that you received and click Confirm. And then you'll be able to add Passkey. Your Passkey has now been created. Enabling Passkey on MEXC makes logging in much quicker while adding stronger security to your crypto account. So that is how you easily enable Passkey in MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.